Still struggling with rice that comes out mushy, dry, or uneven? A good rice cooker can make everyday meals faster, easier, and far more consistent. But with so many models offering different features and cooking options, choosing the right one isn't easy. We compared 5 popular options to make your decision simpler. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now let's get started. Number 1. COSORI Rice Cooker 10 Cup. Looking for a smart and versatile rice cooker that can handle more than just rice? The COSORI 10-cup rice cooker is designed to make cooking easier, faster, and more efficient. With its advanced fuzzy logic technology, it automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature to deliver perfectly cooked rice every time. This cooker features an 18-function system, allowing you to prepare white rice, brown rice, quinoa, soups, and even slow-cooked meals. The non-stick ceramic inner pot ensures healthy cooking and easy cleaning, making it ideal for everyday use. It also includes a stainless steel steamer basket, so you can cook vegetables, fish, or meat alongside your rice. The 24-hour keep warm function ensures your food stays ready whenever you need it. Its sleek design and user-friendly controls make it suitable for any kitchen. Whether you're cooking for family or meal prepping, this cooker delivers consistent results. Overall, the COSORI rice cooker is perfect for those who want convenience, versatility, and reliable performance in one appliance. Number 2. COOKOO Micom Rice Cooker. If you're looking for precision, performance, and a premium cooking experience, the COOKOO Micom Rice Cooker is an excellent choice. Built with advanced fuzzy logic technology, this cooker automatically adjusts temperature and cooking time to ensure your rice comes out perfectly soft and fluffy every single time. With a capacity of up to 6 cups of uncooked rice, it's ideal for families or small gatherings. It features 9 versatile menu options, allowing you to cook white rice, brown rice, porridge, and more with just one touch. A standout feature is its quick rice mode, helping you prepare meals faster without losing quality. It also includes an auto-clean function, making maintenance simple and saving time after cooking. The non-stick inner pot ensures even heat distribution and easy cleanup. Its compact modern design fits neatly into any kitchen space. Overall, the COOKOO Micom Rice Cooker delivers smart cooking, convenience, and consistently perfect results for everyday use, making it a dependable choice for busy households seeking efficiency and quality in every meal prepared. Number 3. AROMA Digital Rice Cooker. The AROMA Digital Rice Cooker is a simple yet powerful solution for everyday cooking needs. With a capacity of 4 cups of uncooked rice, it's perfect for small families, students, or quick meal preparation. This cooker goes beyond just rice. It works as a steamer, grain cooker, and multi-cooker. You can prepare rice, vegetables, soups, and even meats using its versatile settings. The stainless steel exterior gives it a sleek, modern look while also ensuring long-term durability. Its digital controls are easy to use, making it beginner-friendly without any complicated setup. It also includes an automatic keep warm function that keeps your food ready to serve anytime. The included steam tray lets you cook multiple items at once, saving both time and effort in the kitchen. It delivers consistent cooking results without complex settings, making it reliable for daily use. Overall, the AROMA rice cooker is a budget-friendly option offering versatility, simplicity, and dependable performance for anyone who wants quick, easy, and efficient home cooking every single day without extra hassle. Number 4. Elite Gourmet ERC006SS Rice Cooker. The Elite Gourmet ERC006SS Rice Cooker is designed for users who value durability and simplicity in their kitchen appliances. With the ability to cook up to 6 cups of rice, it's suitable for small to medium households. What sets this cooker apart is its stainless steel inner pot, offering a healthier alternative to traditional non-stick coatings while ensuring long-lasting durability. This makes it ideal for those who prefer safer and more durable materials. Beyond rice, it can also prepare soups, stews, porridge, grains, and cereals, adding versatility to your cooking routine. The simple one-touch operation keeps things easy, making it perfect even for beginners. Its compact size makes it great for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or travel use. After cooking, it automatically switches to keep warm mode, keeping your food ready to serve anytime. It's reliable, efficient, and easy to maintain for daily use. Overall, the Elite Gourmet Rice Cooker offers a durable, simple, and multi-purpose cooking solution that fits well in any modern kitchen setup for consistent everyday performance. Number 5. COMFEE Rice Cooker 12 Cup. The COMFEE rice cooker is designed for convenience, versatility, and modern cooking needs. With a capacity of 12 cups of cooked rice, it's perfect for families or anyone who prefers larger meal portions. Equipped with advanced fuzzy logic technology, this cooker automatically adjusts cooking settings to deliver perfectly cooked rice every time. It also features 11 preset functions, allowing you to prepare rice, grains, soups, and more with ease. One useful feature is the 24-hour delay timer, letting you plan meals ahead conveniently. The fast cooking mode is ideal for busy days when you need quick results without hassle. The non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleaning and smooth cooking performance every time. It also includes a steamer function, allowing you to cook vegetables or proteins alongside your main dish. Its compact yet efficient design fits well in kitchens without taking extra space. Overall, the COMFEE rice cooker is a smart, reliable, and practical appliance that delivers consistent results for everyday cooking needs while saving time and effort in the kitchen. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.